verb will be, if it is singular then verb will be plural. If it is plural then it will be singular. Alright? If it's singular it must be
Plural.
if it's plural it must be
Singular.
Singular is correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Plural is correct or wrong?
Wrong.
But there are some rule breakers also, and the rule breakers are I and you. They are rule breakers that I will explain to you. Now with examples we are going to do. If it is he, then the verb will be walks or walk? Walks. Then they are going to be agree ना? टीचर ने क्या बोला था कि आप लोग कब एग्री हो जाओगे when you both are following the rules. If it is play then verb will be plays. If it is jump then it will be jumps. Then if subject is swim then it will be
Swimming.
but if subject is they jumps होगा या jump होगा? Yes. If it's we then क्या होगा? Jump होगा या jumps होगा?